Hey, welcome back to another episode of MJKO Cooking. Today I'm going to show you how to make fried rice. So, before we start, make sure you hit that subscribe button. Okay, so this is what we'll be needing for our fried rice. We have day-old rice, so it's been in the fridge. It's just leftover rice. Main thing for the rice, you want to make sure it's dry, so that's why we don't use freshly cooked rice. We got some garlic, eggs, some mixed frozen vegetables. You can use fresh vegetables chopped up if you want. Frozen vegetables are just more convenient. And of course, some soy sauce. Alright, so let's get started. We've prepped all our ingredients, our rice, our minced garlic, and our eggs. So we're gonna heat up our wok, alright? If you don't have a wok, a pan works fine. Alright, traditionally, Chinese people, we cook in woks. So let's just heat up our wok. Alright, so now that our wok is starting to heat up, we're gonna add some oil into the wok. Alrighty, and now we're going to swirl the oil all around the wok, make sure it gets everywhere. Alright, so I put the stove onto medium to high heat. Alright, it's a very quick dish, so we cook it over medium to high heat. Alright, so first things first, we add in our chopped or minced garlic. Of course, I'm using a non-stick wok, so we use non-stick cooking utensil. Alright, we're going to go ahead and add in our leftover rice. We're going to break up the rice. Alright, leftover rice usually clumps up, so you want to break up the rice. Okay, now we're going to add in some soy sauce. And then mix in the soy sauce. Alright, now that the soy sauce is all mixed in, alright, make a little clearing right in the middle. Add in our eggs. Alright, and then you just want to start scrambling those eggs right in the middle. Alright, now that you see the eggs are starting to cook and they're starting to curd up, now we're just going to mix it in with our rice. As you can see, I am breaking up the rice, breaking up the eggs, make sure they get everywhere. And get a nice even distribution. So today we're only making egg fried rice. Of course you can add in some meat if you want. Any meat works fine. Usually I like chicken. You would just dice up your meat, pre-cook it about halfway, and then take it out, and then once the rice is just about done, you add in back the meat, and then you fully cook up the meat. Alright, now we're going to add in some of our frozen vegetables. And then we're just gonna bring them up to heat. Of course, you can season to taste, add in salt and pepper, however you see fit. Of course, soy sauce does have a little bit of sodium, so it does give it a little bit of that salty taste. But totally up to you if you want to add some more salt and a little bit of pepper. So I'm going to add in a little bit of salt, and then a little bit of pepper. Alright, we're going to give that a good mix. Okay, the heat is off. We are all done our egg fried rice. We're just gonna plate it now. Alrighty, so there we have it. Our egg fried rice is done. Nice.